door's got my vocals on it.
I just wanted to see up close. This is crazy.
I thought I had the box breaking, but actually it's still becoming.
That's insane. And these are the 18s. That is insane how you fit that in there. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man? How you doing? I'm just doing some videos.
Good to see y'all here.
Yes, sir. You too. Dude, it's crazy. You can see this window doesn't hardly move, and you see everything flex.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before. I know you're letting it cool off. I'm just walking around. Yes, sir. How thick is that plexiglass? Really? Wow.
I'm hoping to get about a 60.5, 61 today.
Yeah. Nice.
I had some issues, so.
Yeah. What are these amps wired to?
Half.
Half of them? Oh, okay. So you got 4 6Ks, one per NSV4.
Basically, and I had to strap them because I got an input issue here. So I ended up having to strap them. I actually got more output.
By strapping them?
Mm-hmm. It's weird, but.
That's because the game match reamp. Probably, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
Wow.
Because at World Final, I was only getting half the power out of it.
Yeah. Wow. That's cool. Is this door open? Is there a way I can shoot it?
The other door's got my vocals on it.
I just wanted to see up close. This is crazy.
I thought I had the box breaking, but actually it's still becoming.
That's insane. And these are the 18s. That is insane how you fit that in there.
It ain't easy. David Brandon and I tore it out this weekend trying to find the problem.
Oh, you had a leak?
Find the problem. One of my spider landers had come off.
Oh.
I had 5 minutes. I finished.
Yeah.
What? Tonight at the Ruckus again, and
Yeah.
redo my doors and turn console. I'm going tablet.
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
I'm actually going into business doing this now.
What is your tunings on this now?
I really don't. Well, it's still 46 on the front.
Yeah.
I really don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But I can play 22 to 65, 70. Yeah, I just added the fourth one. I had 3.
4 NSV4 18s. Woo.
Feeling myself too much. feeling myself too much, feeling myself too much. You are missing your touch, missing the way you say my name. Looking at the way you know I stay, but I got these songs to cut, and it's still wouldn't have to come. I'm missing the most too much to God. Playing the lady, I'm California One time I tell them I'm California One time I tell them I'm California
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.